Hello friends, welcome to DG Question Bank. Today we are sharing with you another video of 20 important questions for your test series AIBE, CLAT and PCSJ. So let's start. Question number 1. A wakalatnama remains in force until. The options are option A, withdrawn by the client or the pleader with the court's leave. Option B, the client or pleader dies. Option C, all proceedings in the suit have ended concerning client. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 2. According to the section 15 of CPC, every suit shall be instituted in the. The options are option A, court of lowest grade. Option B, court of highest grade. Option C, district court. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, court of lowest grade. Question number 3. The code of civil procedure is. The options are option A, an adjective law. Option B, a procedural law. Option C, meant to regulate the procedure to be followed by civil courts. Option D, all are correct. The right answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 4. Order to Rule 2. The options are option A, lays emphasis on the cause of action as a basis of the claim. Option B, does not compel a plaintiff to join in the same suit every cause of action or every claim which he has. Option C, does not bar pleas in defense. Option D, all are correct. The right answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 5. Foreign judgment includes. The options are option A, judgment of a foreign court. Option B, a judgment of a foreign court including Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, a judgment of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Option D, a judgment of the Court of England only. The right answer is option A, a judgment of a foreign court. Question number 6. Order to Rule 2 does not apply to. The options are option A, execution applications. Option B, writ petition. Option C, appeals. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. Order 18, Rule 4, the evidence of the witnesses. The options are option A, has to be recorded in open court. Option B, could be taken by a commission. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 8. A, residing in Delhi, beats B in Calcutta. The options are option A, B may sue A in Delhi only. Option B, B may sue A in Calcutta only. Option C, B may sue A either in Calcutta or in Delhi. Option D, B may sue A anywhere in India. The right answer is option C, B may sue A either in Calcutta or in Delhi. Question number 9. How many sections are in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The options are option A, 152 sections. Option B, 156 sections. Option C, 158 sections. Option D, 161 sections. The right answer is option C, 158 sections. Question number 10. The doctrine of res judicata is based on. The options are option A, public policy. Option B, private justice. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a pleader? The options are option A, an advocate. Option B, a vakil. Option C, an attorney of a high court. Option D, recognized agent. The right answer is option D, recognized agent. Question number 12. How many orders are in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The options are option A, 55 orders. Option B, 51 orders. Option C, 52 orders. Option D, 58 orders. The right answer is option B, 51 orders. Question number 13. A foreign judgment is recognized in India on considerations of justice, equity and good conscience. In which of the following cases it was held so? The options are option A, Satya versus Teja Singh. Option B, Shri Inacio Martins versus Narayan Hari Nayak. Option C, Sarju Prasad versus Jwaleshwari. Option D, Meera Bhanja versus Nirmala Kumari Chaudhary. The right answer is option A, Satya versus Teja Singh. Question number 14. How would a summons be served on a person in prison? The options are option A, through the family of the defendant. Option B, through the officer in charge of the prison. Option C, through a newspaper. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B, through the officer in charge of the prison. Question number 15. Mark the incorrect matching. The options are option A, Commission for Local Investigation, Order 26, Rule 9. Option B, Commission to Examine Accounts, Order 26, Rule 11. Option C, Commission to Take Partition, Order 26, Rule 13. Option D, Commission for Scientific Investigation, Order 26, Rule 10C. The right answer is option D, Commission for Scientific Investigation, Order 26, Rule 10C. Question number 16. In which of the following cases a right to sue survives? The options are option A, a suit for dissolution of marriage. Option B, a suit for right to future maintenance. Option C, a suit for breach of contract of betrothal. Option D, a suit for partition of ancestral property by a co-parsoner after his death. The right answer is option D, a suit for partition of ancestral property by a co-parsoner after his death. Question number 17. Under section 100, second appeal lies to the. The options are option A, Additional District Judge. Option B, High Court. Option C, Supreme Court. Option D, High Court or Supreme Court. The right answer is option B, High Court. Question number 18. A holds a decree against B for rupees 5,000. B holds a decree against A for rupees 3,000. A transfers his decree to C. The options are option A, C cannot execute the decree against B for more than 2,000. Option B, C can execute the decree against B for more than rupees 2,000. Option C, C cannot execute the decree against B. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, C cannot execute the decree against B for more than rupees 2,000. Question number 19. Who among the following is not entitled to exemption from personal appearance in the court? The options are option A, former Indian ruler. Option B, chairman of the state legislative councils. Option C, the minister of states. Option D, collector. The right answer is option D, collector. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a question of fact? The options are option A, a finding on a question of benami. Option B, a finding on a question of bona fides. Option C, a finding on a question of negligence. Option D, a finding as to interpretation of documents. The right answer is option D, a finding as to interpretation of documents. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.